pedicure time. I am long overdue and I'm quickly running in for a pedicure. I have a bridal shower to go to tomorrow on Saturday. Lots of running around to do, lots of things happening this weekend. So yeah, come with me and get a pedicure. Gorgeous day. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Hello. This is my favorite bookstore. I love this place. So I got 3 books. Most of the time I get books from the library my daughter works at, or I put them on Kindle or something like that. But I always want to support tiny little bookshops whenever I can, because otherwise they're just going to go out of business. So I got a few. Okay, so these are the books I got. They just appealed to me. When You Read This by Mary Adkins. Lillian Boxfish Takes a Walk. And A Sister in My House. Ha! Those seemed good. I'm looking forward to them. Brought my workout shoes with me, and I basically have on my workout leggings, my little white workout top, and I threw this sweater on over my outfit, and I have my flip-flops on right now, and I'm going to just take off the sweater, put on those, stick my hair in a ponytail, and do my strength training, which, by the way, I'm doing now. Did you guys know I'm doing strength training? I can't remember what I tell anybody. So yeah, I've started strength training and I'm really, really liking it. That plus Pilates, gotta go. Okay, so we are at the mall. So I had a wonderful pedicure. Absolutely love getting a pedicure. The color of my nails is a new summer color from Zoya called Liza. And they call it a cardinal red. To me, it's more of a, I don't know, it's kind of a dark pink red combination. So there's that. So we're at the mall right now, headed to all sorts of places. First one being Home Goods. There are some things there I want to glance at and see if I can see something I like. So let's go. You guys, it is gorgeous today. It's like 80 degrees, breezy, bright blue skies, fantastic. Wow, that took way longer than I thought it would. I had to look at every single item on every single shelf apparently. I did find a few things, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. It's like after 2, and I just feel like going home. I was gonna go to several other stores here and look at a few things, but I'm just not feeling it. I think I'd rather just go home. I have to plan my garden, so that's probably what I'll go do. So I ran home real quick, unloaded the car, quickly took my sweater off. I'm in my workout top and my workout pants, threw my gym shoes on, filled up my water, put my hair in a ponytail, and now I'm headed to strength training. So that's where we're headed next. Still using my Longchamp. I love this thing. It's just the perfect size for running around and doing a whole bunch of stuff. I love it. Richards and her husband Mauricio were right there at the country club the other day. It's kind of cool. I wanted to run in and, hi! You don't know me, but hello, I watch you on Housewives of Beverly Hills. Yeah. Okay, this is what's happening out here this year. Normally we have pumpkins in this weed patch. All these weeds popped up. We're gonna take care of that. But usually we have Claire's pumpkins in here. In the last couple of years I've had just a couple, like 3 little tomato plants, and I had some green beans over there and some herbs. And they were just crowded and awful. So anyway, this year Claire is not planting pumpkins here, so I get this whole thing to myself. So then I've been hemming and hawing and brewing and going back and forth till it's almost too late about what I'm gonna plant here. So what I think I'm gonna do, the choice is either to pull weeds while I'm out here because I can't just look at it. What I think I'm gonna do is put like tomato, 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 so they're spread out and they have more space, and do some zucchini, and that can have a little bit more space to grow, and some green beans. We all like green beans, so that's a good one to put there. And then be able to like have a space to walk around here, and then this middle portion possibly put herbs, because I use those all the time and different things. And so it'll have more space and I can tend to it easier. That's my plan. First gotta clear it up and whatnot, but that's what's happening out here at the moment. Yeah, I need to get the cushions for our table and chairs set. The cushions are in the garage. I gotta put those on still. This is my seat. This is the place where I'm always sitting if I'm out here. That's my chair right under the tree. We're gonna have to get the fire pit going sometime soon. Is it grown nicely? So yeah. Do you see a little face? She's like, why am I not out there with you, Grandma? Okay, yeah, so that's my plan out here. I gotta go rescue the poor puppy and take her out here with me. So I'm gonna make a very quick dinner here, and this is what I normally do. This is not gonna be nearly as put together as I normally do when I when I do a cooking video, but I'm just making dinner in my normal way, so we're all being real here. This is the kind of thing I do all the time. I look and see what I have or what I need to use before it goes bad, and I concoct something, and then I figure out like who's gonna be here for that meal and what they like. I'm using some chicken breasts that I have. I'm gonna slice them thin. I'm gonna just fry up a little bit of bacon in tiny little bits, just for some flavoring. Garlic, onion, some gluten-free penne pasta, and some peas and Parmesan, shaved Parmesan. So that's gonna be some sort of a pasta meal. I diced up 1 onion, and I don't know how much garlic there. I just kind of grabbed some out of my little garlic thing until it looked like enough. So there's that. I'm getting some water boiling for the peas just to get them cooked a little bit, and I am boiling the pasta water, and I have a pan for the rest. I've got 6 slices of bacon that I'm going to chop up into little pieces. I have the bacon sliced up and, chopped up into little tiny pieces. Got the garlic ready, got the onions, got the peas cooking, got the water boiling, got my pan getting hot. Yeah, so let's do this. I'm just gonna throw some olive oil in the pan and get the chicken going. I'm gonna do a separate pan here just for the onion and the garlic and stuff, just to make this all go faster. So yeah, now we've got the peas, the water boiling, the chicken in this pan. I'm going to put the bacon in this pan, get that going, and then in the bacon grease do the onion and garlic, so that'll all be in this pan. Chicken's just browning right here. Just added some salt and pepper, just getting those cooked up, and then they'll sit for a bit before we add them into the other stuff. Okay, just getting the onions and garlic all soft. The peas are finished, getting ready to boil the pasta. The chicken is done. So yeah, we're getting places. The bacon is over here. And we'll add it together with the Parmesan. Adding the pasta. I added it all together. Gonna add the parm, and that will be dinner. There it is. Dinner. So thank you so much for coming along with me today. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you have a good evening. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.